talk about heat and thermodynamics. Heat, what is heat? We know that heat is a form of energy. What type of energy? When a body is kept surrounding higher temperature, then the higher temperature objects, mm, heat goes to lower temperature objects, right? So heat transfer occurs when there is a temperature difference between two objects. That is the phenomena. And up to what time it goes on, you know already. This is only up to the time when two bodies comes to an equilibrium. This equilibrium in with respect to the temperature. That means when two body has same temperature, then the heat transfer is completed, right? So this is the phenomena, heat transfer. So heat transfer, we know from calorimetry principle that if a hot body is releasing heat energy and a cold body is accepting that heat energy, then the release of heat energy by the hot body is equal to the heat energy accepted heat energy of cold body, right? And that transferred heat is equals to, if we denote it as a H, the transfer rate, then it is equals to m into s into t. Here m is the mass of the object which is receiving or absorbing the heat, okay? And s, here s is the specific heat capacity of that body, specific heat capacity. And another one was T. The T is the temperature difference, or we can say that the temperature increased after absorbing the heat, okay? So H is equals to m into s into T, okay? Now another concept is there, that is latent heat. What is latent heat? We know very well from the beginning or from matriculation level also, that latent heat is nothing but the amount of heat is absorbed, the amount of heat absorbed or the amount of heat released when the conversion of one state to another state occurs, okay? And this phenomena occurs in definite temperature. That means no temperature change occurs during the change of the state of that object, right? That is latent heat. And for latent heat, we may say the example of ice after accepting, after receiving or after absorbing some amount of heat, that is 80 calorie per gram. What it means, it means that 1 gram of ice, if absorbs 80 calorie, then it converts to 1 gram of water. That means from ice to water. That means what is the phenomena? This is a only, we can say that from solid to liquid conversion is occurring. This conversion is occurred by absorbing the heat energy, right? Another phenomena is there when liquid state from liquid to gaseous state conversion. This conversion occurs by absorbing heat, and this amount of heat is also an example of latent heat. For water to convert into gaseous state or steam, we need to supply 537 calorie per gram, means 1 gram of water to convert in 1 gram of steam, we need to supply 537 calorie.